Every day we're faced with questions and challenges that we need to investigate, understand, explain and find answers to. And we look to information to help us get there, which is rarely just numbers. Hi, I'm Anita, and I'd like to introduce you to NVivo 9. NVivo 9 is software that helps you to easily organise and analyse unstructured information so you can arrive at findings fast, work systematically and effectively extract all the value from your information, rigorously back up your findings with evidence, collaborate efficiently with your colleagues, effortlessly share your output with others. You might be evaluating social policy. You might be reviewing feedback to improve your customer service. You might be researching product innovation or undertaking postgraduate research. Whatever your information, whatever your materials, whatever your workplace and whatever your project, NVivo lets you work your way and provides you with a workspace to efficiently guide you from questions to outcomes. Developed by QSR International, NVivo is used in many ways by more than 400,000 people in 150 countries, including organisations like Yale University, World Vision Australia, Columbia University and the UK Policy Studies Institute. Over the next few minutes, we'll take you through a project so you can see exactly how NVivo helps you to find the answers to the questions and challenges you face every day. Enjoy the tour. How you go about finding answers and making sense of information makes all the difference to the outcomes you're after. Let's say you're investigating the impact of a huge oil spill, and there are emergency funds available for programs to address the effects of the spill on the local community. To submit your funding application by the deadline, you need to identify the areas where the need is greatest. With NVivo 9, you can quickly identify the oil spill's most significant impacts. What's more, you can back up your findings with evidence. That means you can confidently present a case for how and where the funding can help alleviate the crisis. And you do all of this within your deadline. How is this possible? Let's take a look at NVivo 9 to find out. Whether you're working with interview transcripts from fishermen, survey responses, video footage or photos, field notes, sound recordings or social media chat, NVivo 9 helps you to handle it all, and in virtually any language. Before you've even read your materials, quickly get a handle on your data. With just a few clicks, you can automatically see the words most used in your interviews. Tourists and wildlife are emerging as important themes. Straight away, you've saved time and started to uncover some of the biggest impacts. Or you can take a more methodical approach and start at the beginning and classify your materials as you go, assigning themes and ideas for exploration later. For example, analyse the different types of impacts showing up like contaminated fishing grounds and poisoned birds, and add information about the people you interviewed, such as their occupation and location. As you work, record your own insights and attach them to your information, just like you would with notes in the margin. NVivo 9 gives you a workspace to let you organise and classify your data your way, extracting all of the insight. When you're ready to explore your themes further, NVivo 9's powerful search and query tools let you interrogate your information in ways that simply aren't possible manually. For example, find out the extent of the impact on fishing communities. Then take this a step further and see if communities in one region are more affected than others. There's no need to go back and revisit all of your data manually. With just a few clicks, NVivo lets you test a hunch or find an answer. Different perspectives can lead to different discoveries, and NVivo 9 lets you take a fresh look at your data and visualise connections, themes and relationships using charts, maps and models. And you can view the live data behind them with just one click. Here you can see that tourism operators and fishing communities are both feeling the effects of contaminated fishing grounds. Because so many of us work in teams, NVivo 9 offers unrivaled support for teamwork too. Add NVivo Server and work on the same project at the same time with your colleagues. Speed up your analysis by tackling different parts of your project at the same time. For instance, analysing holidaymakers' feedback and photos of the spills separately. Or have a scientist and a wildlife expert analyse the same materials at the same time. bouncing ideas and different approaches off each other for deeper discovery. When you're ready to bring everything together, ideas, findings, data or results, NVivo 9 lets you do this with ease. At any time, seamlessly interchange information with other applications, from Microsoft Word and Excel to IBM SPSS statistics and EndNote. You can even create your own reports and web pages to share your outcomes. Using NVivo, you can deliver evidence-based findings and recommendations on time. NVivo 9. Explore, discover, share. Thanks for taking the tour. Let us show you more about NVivo 9 via a demonstration or trial. Visit qsrinternational.com to register.